Good day everyone, this is Teacher Nori. In this video we are going to talk about the author, the title, and the illustrator, and judging a book by its cover. The author, the title, and the illustrator. The author. The author is the writer of the story. He conceptualized the story and developed it into something interesting for us to read. He also thought of the lesson that we can learn from the story. Examples of authors are Stephen King, who wrote It and the Green Mile, the author of the Twilight series, Stephanie Meyer, J.K. Rowling, who wrote the Harry Potter series, J.R.R. Tolkien, who wrote the Lord of the Rings and the Hobbit, Luwalhati Bautista, who wrote Dekada 70 and Gapo, the author of No Limitangere and El Filibusterismo, Dr. Jose Rizal, Nick Joaquin, the author of The Woman with Two Navels, F. Shonil Jose, who wrote the five-book Rosales Saga, and Jessica Hagedorn, who wrote Dog Eaters and Mango Tango. The title. The title gives us a general idea about the story. In some cases, the title is simply the name of the main character, the place, or the time the story occurred. The title, paired with the illustration, can tell us what the story is about. The illustrator. The illustrator draws and designs the images in the book. He helps the readers visualize what the author wants us to see in the words of the story. And he also helps us in understanding the story better through his drawings. These are some examples of illustrations made by Filipino illustrators. Judging a book by its cover. Never judge a book by its cover. This is a saying that teaches us not to base our judgment of a person based on their physical appearance, and that we should learn about them first before deciding whether to continue befriending them or not. We should also never judge a book by its cover in its literal sense, because sometimes the book cover can be deceiving. In some books, covers are too simple that it cannot tell us what the book is about. Some covers are too artistic that it can mislead us in thinking what the book is about. For example, the cover for the book It shows a scary looking clown. This can tell us that the book is probably about a clown that has gone bad. It also gives us an impression that the story is scary or full of suspense. Notice that the name of the author is almost the same size as its title. This can give us the impression that the author is famous, and by simply knowing who the author is, it can also tell us what kind of story the book contains. Another example is this simple book cover. If you are not a religious person, or if you do not believe in religion at all, you would probably not know that this is a Bible. You can tell that it is a Bible based on the crucifix design on the book cover. And that is the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching. Until next time!